In Italy, there is a philosophy of life called dolce far niente, the sweetness of doing nothing. It's about being with yourself in a moment or in a piece, truly enjoying every detail, even the simplest forms like having your morning coffee in a silence or sitting alone with your thoughts. Looking up at the sky of a feeling a moment of gratitude. No noise, no people around you, and no need to explain or justifying anything. It's about giving yourself a pause. Slowing down, it means recharging. Reconnecting is to observe, to feel, to experience everything calmly at your own pace. And finding your way back to yourself. And honestly, it's the moment we all need. It's dolce far niente, the sweetness of doing nothing.